Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the PDF document could not be printed error. So if you encounter that error, here are some quick fixes that you can try. The first one is you can check your printer settings and you need to ensure that your printer is online. You can go to the control panel on your computer in here and then find the devices and printer settings. Here click on view devices and printers, and you need to confirm that your printer is set as the default and is not offline or pause. You can also run a test print. You can print a test page from another application to verify that the printer is function well. So the second one that you can do is update or reinstall your PDF reader. So in this case, I'm using WPS as my PDF reader. You need to ensure that your PDF reader is up to date, or you can also try to uninstall the software first, then download and install the latest version. And then the next one is you can print the PDF as image. So this bypass complex rendering issue. You can open the PDF file in your reader, and then in here you can go to print. Let's try to find print. And then you can find the advanced settings, and after that you can check the options to print the PDF as image. This one on the with WPS, you can just check on this and then tap on print. Then the next one is you can just save and reopen the PDF. You can save the PDF to your computer if you are opening it from email or maybe browser. You can reopen the PDF in your PDF reader and attempt to print it again. On the next one is you can try to convert the PDF to another format like Word or images like one I said before. We can use online converters such as small PDF or PDF to go, or you can also use a built-in tools, save as or export in the PDF software. You can go to menu, tap on save as, and then just change the format. And then you can also check for corruptions in the PDF. You can open another PDF file on your computer and see if the issue persists with a different file. If only one file is problematic, it might be corrupted, and you can ask for a fresh copy of the file. And the next one, you can also check for updates on the printer drivers. You can visit your printer manufacturer's website and download and install the latest drivers compatible with your OS. And the last one is you can use another PDF reader. For example, this WPS is not working. You can try to use another one such as Adobe Reader or Foxit Reader, Sumatra PDF, or you can also use Google Chrome to print the PDF from the browser. So if none of these solutions work, you can always find, or maybe you can just solve the problem by maybe changing the device, like changing the printer or the computer. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.